Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to install these harnesses, which we do have on our website. I'll have a link down below, www.rngperformance.net. Check us out for all your CFMOTO needs, parts, and accessories. Also, leave us a like, share, and subscribe. Hit that comment section down below and let us know how we do around here. Like to hear your thoughts. Thank you guys for stopping in and watching. We're going to do a detailed video on how to install these harnesses. Super easy in the Gen 2. Very easy. I recommend harnesses. We run these same ones in my Z800. I've had them for years. They've been awesome. Super comfortable. They got these pouches. You just pull these to snug yourself in. And of course, cross down here. They got the easy latch. I love these ones because you're confident that you're going to actually be able to get out. We see the cheap ones online that have the buckle. We do not recommend buckles, and that's the main reason why we're upgrading from the seat belts in this to these, is because the buckles, once they get full of dirt, they don't like to work and they can trap you inside of a vehicle. So the last thing that you want to be is trapped inside, like rolled upside down or something, trapped inside. You want to be able to get out. You don't want to be messing with the buckle on the latch and trying to get yourself out and you can't. Just this thing will, you just grab it and boom, part. These are the best ones in my opinion to get. So guys, without further ado, let's get started on getting this installed. Okay guys, let's go over here and get this door open. First things first is we're going to want to pull open this seat. We're going to come down here. There's a latch right down here. Just pull it, lift that seat, scoot it forward. Okay. Now we're going to set up the camera so we can get down in here. First thing we're going to want to do is get to this bolt here. It's a T27 Torx. Pull that out of here. Go ahead and pull that up. Now we're going to want to pull this bolt. Looks like it's a 17. Yep, it is. Oh boy. Oh boy, that's loose. What? Come on, CFMOTO. Wow, that's absolute nonsense, guys. Come on. Okay then. Well, I thought they would have tack welded that nut down there, but they didn't. So, all right. So instead of taking all this plastic off and chasing this nut and everything, we put a thin bread tie and tied it real tight around the threads. We're gonna bend it up like that. Then we're gonna send it through this bottom hole. Like so. Well guys, my camera died right there, but it's super easy to do. Tie that bread tie around there, get it up, and then your finger just push the bolt up. You can push the bolt up with your finger, as you can kind of see there before the camera cut off, and then you just pull it right through the hole. It's very easy. It's not that hard. But yeah, I'm sorry guys. I didn't pay attention to the camera. But we finished the installation on the other side and pretty much do the same thing. So, all right guys, you're going to need a 17 for this one. Really? 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 Brand new machine? Are you kidding me? Wow. Just wow. I'm not believing what I'm seeing right now. Safety, huh? It's a good thing I decided to do this. Isn't it? Wow. And we're actually going to do the same thing. Put the bolt back through the other way. It's just something I like to do, just in case I ever have to work on it again or anything. again, we're going to take the belt, put the nut on, like so. And again, it's different. Forgot. Just tighten her down. Oh. Okay, she's tight. She's actually tight now. Imagine that. Okay, now we went ahead and ran them through the back of the seat. Once we got it ran through the seat, we're going to take this and this. We're going to adjust it all the way, pretty much right about in there. We're going to wrap this around, bring it right back through, and then we're going to push it down this loop right here. And this is going to allow you to get in it and set your adjustment for it. And it'll look nice, just like so. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. Got those all installed in there, looking really nice. It's actually not that hard to do. Took me about 20 minutes to do it. Very easy. Showed you guys that little trick. There we go. Look at that. Oh man, that thing is nice. Driver's side was actually the same. Not too hard to do. Very easy. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that was it. The harness install, super easy. One thing I am a little disappointed about is those loose bolts. Even when I got over to the driver's side, which was same as this side, it had loose bolts over there. The buckle was loose, the other one was not. I would definitely check your bolts, even if you're not putting in harnesses. Definitely check them. Those should not be loose. I have a loss for words about that one, but it really disappoints me to see that on a machine that was actually selling for like 17K out the door. It's pretty crazy. So it is what it is, guys. I don't make these things. I just fix them up, work on them, add cool stuff to them. So I want to thank you for watching this video. Have a Merry Christmas, and I'd like to invite you down here to our shop this Saturday, the 16th of December at 2 p.m. We're going to have free food and music, and we're just going to have an awesome time. Hope to see you there, guys. Peace out. God bless. We'll see you in the next one.